looking at unemployment, obviously still ticking upwards. We're at 6.71% now in comparison. And I like that you've broken down kind of the areas here as we get from the Financial Post. Was there anything in particular that stuck out for you in terms of the numbers? I see Toronto there at 8.4%.
It, you know, it is very important because you look at a national average of 6.7 and you kind of look in history and you say, okay, well, after the financial crisis, we were almost like a 9.5. You can see COVID, you went up to 13% on a national average. And we're seeing some Ontario cities, like you said, Toronto's at 8.4. Last month was at 8.1, so it's growing.
Mhm.
What were some of the other ones? Calgary at 7.8, Edmonton at 7.4, Windsor at 9.1% unemployment now. Um, so we're seeing this uptick in a lot of these Ontario communities. Is a Hamilton 7.3, Oshawa. So this is the Durham region 7.9. We're starting to see these little pockets, and it's important to see, especially if you're an investor in real estate as well. When you're buying an investment property, you want to kind of see a lower unemployment rate. You want to see that it's getting stronger, because it's showing that there's more opportunity for
Yep.
people, and that's going to drive real estate prices as well. So when you start to see a net outflow of people working, and in certain communities getting up into the sevens and eights and nines, that's something you got to keep an eye on. You got to be mindful of how many people are unemployed in these areas.
Yeah, and again, remember if we're looking back to the financial crisis there at, just over 8.6, let's call it. I don't know the exact number of what it was there. Um, and then you're seeing Windsor at 9.1, right? Tack that up. And it's important to know that some of those areas are just getting hit a little bit harder.